Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Easter Sunday. It's my baby's second year since she left, and this is not a very good occasion actually. So we decided to go and have some activities to make sure that we didn't get overwhelmed, because it's not, this is the time that the hardest experience we ever had. Anyway, uh, we are in the same place. It's Colonial Beach. 2 years ago, we were here. This is the day before, what do you call this? Um, uh, the thing happened. So it's overwhelming, honestly. Okay, this is all my stuff. Pag nagka-camping kami, yan ang mga dala namin usually. But actually, we didn't do camping today. Prepare lang kami in case we decided to stay dito sa campground, or we brought a lot of food para, kasi dito sa place na to walang masyadong makainan, kaya dala lang kami ng food. Anyway, this is what do you call this, Chesapeake Bay. Dito kami, nag napakaganda ng place dito. It's a very nice place to go fishing, and syempre malamig pa ngayon, so hindi pa masyadong matao. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo ang beauty nitong Point Lookout, Maryland. Ito ang ginagawa namin. For now, we're trying to ignore everything, trying to not to remember the pain. But anyway, yeah, it's very peaceful. Napakaganda ng lugar ngayon na ito, which is my daughter's favorite place. Yung mga ganyang mga capture ng mga picture na ganyan. Actually, we had what do you call this, nag-try kami dito mag-camping one time with my daughter, but hindi niya lang gusto kasi it's maraming masyadong bug. Siguro it's late when we decided na mag-camp dito, kasi sometimes nagre-ready lang kami, we don't have any preparation. Gusto lang namin pag nakita namin okay, we can stay, ready lang kami lagi. So napakaganda ng water this time, very calm. Ito yung Atlantic City ito kasi kaya maraming fish dito actually, kaya lang since malamig pa, kaya hindi pa magandang mag-fishing. So mga 2 hours away ito sa amin, but napakaganda ng water. Maganda, but it's very sad at the same time, siguro dahil lang sa feelings namin na very very sad talaga yung nararamdaman namin, since ayaw naming ma-remember tong mga time na ito. Yan ang beauty dito, maganda naman dito. Maganda mag-swimming, kaya lang syempre malamig pa kami dito, part pa rin kami ng winter. Pero spring is coming anytime soon, kaya medyo parami na rin ang mga tao sa place na to. Like I said, kahit na napakaganda ng lugar, mahirap namin appreciating beauty ng nature, because our feeling at this time. But I know it's a very nice place, it's very calm, it's very quiet. But like I said, for us na babay time lang para may magawa, especially this winter, napakahirap mag-aliw-aliw. But anyway, nakisama naman ang panahon, we can handle the weather, It's not cold. It's not that cold. It's cold, but it's not that cold, and it's not hot. Kaya okay lang. So, usually maraming mga nagdadaan na boat dyan eh. Maganda dito talaga. Kaya lang, like I said, mahirap pang i-appreciate. But anyway, um, you know, this is the moment talaga na hindi madali. Pero wala kaming choice but dadaan na ang panahon na ganito. Pero ang talagang totoong anniversary niya is not until April 17. Kaya uh, parang dalawang beses mong maaalala. Tapos yung mga susunod na mga okasyon, talagang I cannot imagine yung time na ganito when I remember 2 years ago. It's really hard. Talagang I don't know how to express kung gaano kahirap ang mawalan ka ng pinakamamahal mong anak. Pero kahit ganun pa man, ito kami, we keep going. Nagtatry kami mag-survive. Pero hindi bali, I know she's always there. Kung nakikita niya kami, I'm pretty sure she's happy. Happy naman siguro dahil we're trying to do our best para nga maka get through sa mga ganitong feeling. Alam niyo
anyway,
noon, itong dito lang mga ganitong places, ang ganda-ganda talaga sa paningin namin. Napaka, nung talagang iba talaga pagka, sad na yung buhay mo kahit anong gawin mo. Ang hirap talaga ma-appreciate ang beauty ng mundo, pero kailangan pa rin pilitin, kailangan pa rin pilitin ang sarili mag-keep going. Although hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan namin ito titiisin. But anyway, just keep going lang. At sa lahat ng mga taong at mga magulang na nagkakaroon ng takot na at mga ini-experience sa anak nila, magtiis lang kayo, pagpasensyahan nyo yung mga anak nyo, kasi mga anak natin andyan lang naman sila, we love us. It's just happen na sometimes syempre bata sila, mga rebellious sila, syempre may mga batang ganon. Hindi naman nila kasalanan siguro na minsan masyadong aggressive ang mga anak natin, but I saw my daughter how she become a good person. Ganun lang talaga siguro, katulad ko ngayon, yung anak ko never kaming binigyan ng mga major problem, but like I said, ito naman ang kapalit, masyadong sobrang sakit naman. Kaya sa mga taong nagkaka-experience sometimes ng problema sa anak, huwag nyo masyadong i-push yung mga bata. Hayaan nyo lang sila, as long na nagawa nyo na yung part nyo sa kanila. Andyan lang tayo, yung mga magulang, to support them, to understand them, at sila pa rin ang magdedesisyon sa buhay nila. Kaya, pero sa mga bata naman na nagkakaroon ng problema sa mga magulang, ako noon, lagi ko in-explain sa anak ko, don't get involved sa mga problem ng mga magulang kasi alang mga grown up, kasi ganun lang talaga ang buhay. Wala naman tayong magawa, wala namang perfect. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang muna. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong place na ito. Na you should try this place. Medyo malayo lang sa amin, pero yung mga closer dito, I'm pretty sure ma-enjoy nyo ito. Okay? Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Take care, everyone. Bye.